How to free up space in Windows. Today I am going to tell you a big secret to free up a big space on your hard drive. If your computer is stable, there are no viruses, no problems, so you can do this method to free up space. Open your computer and check C drive. We have 162 gigabytes as a free space. Now let's get more gigabytes. Write restore point in your search bar. Then choose create restore point. Now select your C drive. You should see that the protection is on. Now click on configure. Now you can see there is 2.7 gigabytes of data for recovery fixes. If your computer is stable, you can delete them. Click on delete. Then OK. Now let's go back to C drive and check. Congratulations, now you have 165 instead of 162 gigabytes. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.